In December 2011, we embarked on a 7-night westbound transatlantic crossing from Southampton, England to New York. Our route took our ship a mere 80 nautical miles from the remains of the RMS Titanic. But our own vessel, the beautiful Queen Mary II, encountered trouble much closer to England. 2 separate storms of such severity, our navigational course was actually altered in an attempt to minimize their impact. Here's some raw video footage from the experience. These little paper bags were blank, but they had motion sickness written all over them.
That's what you call a serious storm at sea.
Where are you?
Somewhere in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. The North Atlantic Ocean.
The winds were so strong, it took quite a bit of effort to shove open the door to our balcony. Nevertheless, I decided to step out for some fresh air. My camera was getting wet, so I switched to a waterproof model. Our stateroom was number 8007, located towards the fore of the ship on deck 8. If you look down at the handrail on deck 7, you'll note that it has been dislodged by the storm. Winds reached gale force 10, and the accompanying swells between 25 and 30 feet in size. Now we're in the casino on deck 2. Note the towel on the windowsill. It's there for a reason.
Did you get that?
For a while, watching the storm was our primary means of entertainment. The creaking sounds you hear are all straight from the camera. The running joke was that passengers were traveling throughout the ship by rail. By handrail, that is.
And the show tonight at the Royal Court Theatre at 7 o'clock for second sitting and 8:45 for our first sitting guests.
Of course, a lot of the planned entertainment events were canceled or rescheduled due to the storm.
Now, if you think about it, I said how many nights were around the round table. I didn't say how many sat there.
But life in the ship's Golden Lion pub carried on, as did the guest speakers inside the Illuminations Planetarium, who were occasionally interrupted by swinging doors and weather updates.
Well, the present weather is stormy. Occasional showers and squalls, the temperature of 15.5 Celsius or 60 Fahrenheit, the sea 14 or 57. The wind from the southwest force 10 on the Beaufort scale or 50 knots, giving about 65 knots over the open decks. Very rough seas and a heavy 8-meter southwesterly swell. These conditions are a degree or two more severe than expected, but we are
At times, it was tough to record quality video because the weather had rendered our windows opaque. After the ship successfully navigated the storms, the Commodore thoughtfully posted a couple of charts for weather buffs. Available on DVD.